What's the biggest single problem that I have had filming on a Sony FDR-X3000? The wind. Just listen to this. So I have made this simple hack to reduce the wind noise in my videos. I don't need 20 minutes to tell you that all I have done is taken a piece of foam and attached it over the microphone and secured it with a rubber band. The proof is in the pudding, so let's go out and test it. If you watch the video until you see the flag flying, then you will see how strong the wind is in this video. Yet you can hardly hear the wind at all. Okay, let's try it out and see what it's like with the wind, with this little rigging system that I have going there. Now it's not the windiest day out, but there is a cross breeze that's hitting quite strong every now and then. And for once I really want it to be windy. On the previous video I shot, it was actually really windy, but that ain't no good for this one, is it? Okay, I'm only pointing this way because the wind's coming right at me here. Now I chose this location just because it's such a wide open space. And as you can see by the flag up there, there is quite a wind coming. And then we'll find out whether or not that little bit of foam and an elastic band does the trick for reducing wind. Now, I'd received a comment just recently where some guy said he loves my videos, but oh my, the wind! And you know what, I tend to agree with him. We've always got to look to improve our products, right? And if somebody's watching 2 New York videos and all you hear on my one is the wind, well, guess which one they're likely to subscribe to? It isn't mine. So I'm not actually competing with anyone, but I do want to be on the same playing field as everyone. I would hate to think that I lose subscribers because the wind's too strong. And that also goes back to the gimbal. If you're watching two videos and one of them's shaking all over the place, are people really going to subscribe to that? I know if I found two of a similar product and one of them had steady camera footage and the other one didn't, I'm more than likely going to subscribe to the one with the steady camera footage. Like I said, this is all about putting out the best products that you can put out. Now, aside from the foam, I'm also wearing a mask. So by talking right now, I also get to see what the volume's like with two coverings. Now, I don't need a 20-minute video to test out the microphone with the wind. This right here, by the way, is the Gangster's Cemetery, which you've seen in the previous video of mine. And one thing I've never filmed, it's like 2 blocks down this way. That's where they have the old TV show Archie Bunker. The house that they used in the opening for the show is actually on this street right here. Now, I'm not going to go all the way down there just to film a house. I've got other things to do right now. But anyway, hopefully this will give us an idea of what the wind's like. Catch you guys soon.